Hello, John Muller with the JP Muller Group. In video 5, Gantt chart manipulations, we discussed how the Gantt chart starts in the earliest date of the earliest task on the plan. So in this case, we have a task on 3/15, so we show that week as the first week of the Gantt chart. Now, it's currently May 6th at the time of this recording, and I also showed in that video how to change on the Preference tab the Gantt chart start date to be the current day by putting the equal to day function in that field. But one question that came up is said, well, I don't want to start at the beginning because I have complete tasks, but I want to start at the earliest date of the first incomplete task. So you'll note that we have this second task, which is before today's date, but it's incomplete. So I want the Gantt chart to start on the week of 4/16. So how do we do that? Well, the first thing you want to do is make sure every task that has dates in here has a value in the percent complete field. So let's put a 0% for this one because we didn't start it. Next thing we're going to do is going to go to the Preferences tab, and in the Gantt start date, we're going to put a formula. We're going to use the min if s formula. And that allows us to take the minimum value of a certain range of cells and do it based on any number of criteria. Okay, in this case, we're just going to have one criteria, but we'll just use that. So we'll do min fs, then we'll go to project plan because I forgot what columns my start date is in. So it's in column O. So we have to qualify that with the tab name. Project plan, exclamation, start at 07, that's the first cell that's populated, of the plan, and go all the way down to the bottom, :0. The second argument we want to put in here is the field that we want to compare or test against or filter based on, and that's column S. So we put project plan, exclamation, S7:S. Then we do a comma, and the third argument is what we want to compare it to. I want to make sure it's less than 1 or 100%. And we're going to close quote, close parentheses. When I hit enter, we go back to the Preferences tab, and notice it shows now 4/16, which is the result that we were looking for. Go back to our project plan, and you'll note that the Gantt chart now starts on 4/16. Hope this helps you. Thanks for joining.